Hi everybody, my name is Mr. Toepel. This is my 6th year teaching at Pines Charter High School. My email is on the screen for you guys if you want to get a hold of me. I'm the web design teacher here. I teach 4 levels of web design courses. First one is called Foundations of Web Design. Each course is an honors course. In the Foundations course, we give the students an introduction into making web pages. They learn how to code HTML and CSS. And to do that, they use programs, the latest Dreamweaver and Photoshop from Adobe. Dreamweaver to edit the web pages, Photoshop to edit the images. Our second level is Web Technologies. This covers more advanced HTML and CSS. In this level, students will learn how to design web page layouts in Photoshop, and then they would take these graphical layouts and transform them into working, functional websites using Adobe Dreamweaver. And then students will also get to, some work with frameworks like Bootstrap. Our third level, Web Development Technologies. In this one, students learn the entire process of creating a website, from getting the domain, web hosting, setting everything up, all those different things like that. They'll get to some introductory programming with JavaScript and PHP. They will be given a chance to make their own websites if they want to. And in the last level, if they're lucky to be with me for 4 years, students will be introduced to SEO, which is search engine optimization. They will be given a chance to, make their own websites again. And then more web programming with JavaScript and PHP. And then they will also get to work with databases, SQL, structured query language. Like I said before, this is an honors class, so the standards and expectations are higher than for a regular class. And they use the latest software from Adobe, Dreamweaver, and Photoshop. And depending on their level, they will be given an opportunity to become certified in using those programs, Dreamweaver and Photoshop. If they're interested, they can prepare for an exam and then take those exams, and then if they pass the test, they will become certified in each of those. So as far as class organization goes, there's multiple places where students can stay up to date on their assignments and classwork and tests and all that. I have a Canvas page, and I also have my own website, which I keep a lot of things on. Focus is new this year. That replaces Jupyter Ed, and that's where the grades will be. And then also we have a physical whiteboard in the class. It's nice to be back in school. The kids can look at there for what we're doing for the day. Focus is new. That's where we'll post all the different classwork, projects, quizzes, tests. All the grades and due dates will be in there. Here's my whiteboard. Since you're not able to come into my class, that's what it looks like. I put the daily agendas there for each of my classes. Here's my class website. It's mrtoepel.com. Students have their own accounts on there. They can log in and see all their work and even work on the website. A couple of important things. It's important for students to back up their work. They should have all their work in at least 2 places, since the work in the class is all, using a computer. There's no paper or anything. So they don't want to keep all their work in one place in case that place goes bad. So they're either their computer at home goes bad, it dies, you don't want to have any work lost there. They should always back up their work. They could use a USB drive, or if they want to just use a Google Drive, whichever. As long as they keep their work in 2 places, I am happy. Headphones, I'd like all the students to bring in headphones. There's going to be times where the assignment will require them to watch a video to see how to do something, and they'll need to listen to the video, and they can't all have it all playing at once. It'll be crazy. So headphones are very important. Making up work and tests, so they can do that at lunch or after school. Of course, they got to let me know ahead of time, but I'm more than happy to help them. And I accept late work. So I'm pretty generous. They can turn in work late, so it'll drop like 10% every week that goes by if it's not turned in. After 3 weeks have passed of it being late, I will not accept it anymore. It'll be a 0. And if someone continues to be late with their work, I will contact you guys to see if we can fix it. See what's going on. Thank you. All right, so if any of you guys have any extra questions about your child, please reach out to me. I would love to hear from you. Have a nice night.